Hi friends! Welcome back to the Robertson Rottie Ranch here in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains. And today we're talking about one of the most iconic and versatile plants anywhere in herbalism, lavender. And here at the ranch, we didn't just plant one variety, we planted 3 different types of lavender, right at the entrances of our Grape tunnel and our Kiwi tunnel. Not only are they gorgeous, they also help deter pests and even discourage deer from snacking on the vines. Lavender may look pretty and smell absolutely heavenly, but it's also one of the hardest working plants that you can have on a homestead. Let's start with the basics. Lavender is well known for its calming and stress reducing properties. It contains natural compounds which have been shown to support relaxation, reduce anxiety, and promote better sleep. It also has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory actions, making it one of the most versatile herbs for wellness. In herbalism, I use lavender for everything from skin-soothing salves to calming teas to sleep blends, stress relief oils, headache support, and even digestive comfort. Lavender is gentle, safe when used properly, and incredibly effective when harvested fresh and dried correctly. Now let's talk about lavender on the homestead. Lavender is a natural pest deterrent. Mosquitoes, flies, moths, ants, and even certain beetles avoid areas heavily scented with lavender. That's one of the reasons we planted lavender near the Grape and the Kiwi tunnels. Between the smell and the strong volatile oils, it helps keep pests from chewing on leaves and fruits, and also makes deer think twice before wandering in for a midnight buffet. Lavender is also drought tolerant, a perennial, and low maintenance once it's established. It draws in pollinators. Bees absolutely adore it. And it contributes to soil health by encouraging beneficial insects. If you're building a pest-aware, pollinator-friendly homestead, lavender is one of your best partners. And lavender isn't just for us humans. It plays a lovely role in the chicken coop too. Lavender can help reduce stress in your flock, especially during extreme weather, predator scares, or when introducing new birds. You can add fresh cuttings to nesting boxes, toss dried lavender into the bedding, or hang small bundles where the scent can just drift throughout the coop. Lavender helps deter mice, lice, flies, mites, and it makes the coop smell fresh and clean. Chickens love exploring herbs, and lavender is completely safe for them in the amounts that are commonly used for enrichment and coop care. At the Rottie Ranch, our lavender is part beauty, part pest control, part herbal medicine, and part wellness support for both our family and our animals. It's the kind of plant that does a little bit of everything and does it quite well. Now I want to know, do you grow lavender on your homestead or in your garden? What varieties do you love most? I'd love to hear what's working for you and the varieties that you love. There's so many. And if you've never tried growing lavender before, let this be your sign to plant some this season. You may be surprised just how much one simple herb can transform an entire space. We'll see you next time.